Yo, what is going on, growmies? Hope y'all are doing well, growing well. Now, growmies, today we're going to be checking out the brand new Spider Farmer AG5 Smart Power Strip and the SensorPro Kits. In this video, we're going to conduct a product overview and see what all the devices are about. First off, the power strip is a smart one and it's called the GGS AC5. So what's so cool about this power strip? Well, there's a lot. First, you can physically turn on and off each socket, as well as turning on and off the power from the app. But the best thing about this power strip is that you can control every single device inside your tent. This means that all your fans, lights, and sensors can be controlled via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. An example of why this is important is if you're not home, you can get notifications saying that certain parts of your environment are out of parameter, and you can easily check and see in real time what your environment directly is inside your tent right now, and change it to make the power strip even more special. There is also all the SensorPro Kits that you can get. We got an amazing PPFD, temperature, and humidity probe. Also, we ended up getting the new CO2 sensor as well, which is something that I've always wanted to know, and now I can monitor and see what my CO2 levels are. And lastly, one of the coolest things I've ever seen is the soil sensor. The soil sensor measures how much water content is in the soil, as well as measures the soil temperature and soil EC. The best part is all of these products directly connect to the AG5 power strip to allow you to control and monitor every single device. Now, growmies, I'm not gonna lie, I am super excited that Spider Farmer has released all this brand new badass equipment. It just makes my grow so much easier, and now I have scientific fact and analytics inside my tent. Overall, these new products are giving me statistics that I would have never known, and now I can easily see and control all of them on my phone, whenever, wherever. So far, first impression, I gotta say I'm really happy with the build quality of every single device, as well as the software that comes with it. At this point, there's been no glitches, no shutoffs, or anything wrong, so everything seems reliable and accurate. Anyways, growmies, in my next grow series videos, you guys are gonna see a lot more statistics about the grow, so now we can actually start making correlations and really lock in our environment. Anyways, as always, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and comment. If you haven't seen my other grow/smoke reports, check them out. Keep it up out there, growmies, and stay motivated in this beautiful medicinal hobby. #GrowMeGang.